Brutal truth about life. 1. You are going to meet a lot of fake friends in your adulthood more than when you're young. 2. You are on your own, nobody is there to struggle with you, but many people are waiting for you arrive. 3. Everybody replies with "I am doing fine," after being asked how they are doing, but in the reality, nobody is really doing fine because everyone have their struggles. 4. Unfortunately, intelligence doesn't mean you will be rich. There are a lot of assholes out there that are doing better. 5. We are all going to die. I believe this has been said many times. 6. One of the risks that is difficult to predict is marriage. It is always difficult to predict the end of the tunnel even with lightnings. This is comparable with marriage. 7. Do not compare yourself with anybody because we are born with different opportunities. Remember, nobody chooses their parents. 8. If you cannot appreciate what you have now, you will never appreciate what you aspire to get later. 9. Real education is more than just acquiring a college degree. While college prepares you for the job mindset, you have to prepare yourself for the challenges in this world by educating yourself through investing in yourself.